Hey guys, welcome back to Sneakers Library. So this was formerly known as DIY Varsity. So today we'll be unboxing the Puma Rebound Joy. And if you remember clearly, I've actually done that before. So this was my old pair I actually did a review on. And thank you guys, it was actually a bomb and it was a success, and you guys have been watching this a lot and I really appreciate that. So because of that, and being the fact that I actually enjoy these sneakers, it's super comfy, it's foamy, you can wear it during the summer and the winter. So let's get right into it. So I got me a new color. So guys, this is the new pair that I've just gotten recently, and the color obviously is white, night gray, violet. So I love this combination so much because it has the gray tone. It's actually the gray tone that actually attracted me into to buying this. I like the fact that it's so simple, and also the quality of the sneakers is nice, and two, I like the color. It looks really matured and it can actually blend with anything, be it denim, be it whatever thing you're wearing on. This will fit properly and nicely. So what do I have to say about this? Like I said before, I like the finishing. You can look at the tongue. This is a well padded sneakers, hands down. Puma actually did a good job in doing this. I know a lot of people have some misconception and they call the sneakers the fake Jordan 1. Like, really, who made you the authority to actually name it a fake Nike Jordan 1? I believe this is a trend, and if people are not buying this, they won't be saying bad things about this Puma Rebound Joy. As far as I'm concerned, it's a matter of preference. If you want to buy the Nike Air Jordan 1, buy it. It's your money, but it's a little bit pricey for some people because it's way out of their budget, or they just don't feel like spending that much on sneakers. And to me, sneakers is a way of life, and it's like a lifestyle. But to some people, it's just shoes. So it depends on how you view it. It depends on how you view it. That will determine how much you spend on buying the sneakers. And most people look at it economically, like, okay, it's a sneakers. It does the same, thing. What's the purpose of the sneakers? To provide comfort for my legs. For me to move from one place to the other without any stress. They just want to wear their sneakers peacefully and just go about their days. Why some people is more like about the style for them. That's their way of life. They like style. It's part of them. So each individual and each individual's opinion is actually right, but it depends on how you see it. So let's not judge each other based on this. So let's get back to this. So about this, I'm gonna go to talk about this because I really like this. I'm not gonna clown about this. I like it because it's well padded. Not only is it padded, even the lining of the sneakers is forget it, it's a good quality. I like the lacing. The tongue is well made, and you can see that it's piped compared to some other sneakers they are out there that they are not piped. This is actually piped. It's well padded. We have the lateral on this side, on the other side as well, and the lacing is actually nice. The leather quality I'm not really mad at because based on the price range, it works for me. This was bought for 51 euro or thereabouts, so which I believe is practically cheap for me. And this is a size 39. Usually I wear 38, 38.5, but these are not, because I couldn't find those sizes and I actually wanted another color of these sneakers, and that is why I bought this. So what you want, what you like, and what you're willing to pay to look good. And so this features is a soft foam, we all know that. So you can see the sock lining that provides soft cushioning at every provided long-lasting comfort. So you can see that this is more like a half an inch. This is a two-tone insole, and it is removable, and obviously you have the soft foam plus there, so which definitely give you the comfort that you deserve all day long. So also is the medium size wrist structure. Yeah, and this is a synthetic leather surface with TPU, so don't get it twisted. It is synthetic, and the rubber midsole with extra wrist rest. You can see you have the extra wrist rest. Classic foam strip pattern on the side, which is the lateral. It's always there, and you can see the and we have the Puma inscription near the tongue, as you can see, near the throat rather. There's another thing I just observed now. As you can see, this is a two-tone. Like, this is a navy blue and then this is a white color. I don't know if it's the same. Oh damn, it's the same. I just noticed this, like I'm just noticing this. I didn't even really pay attention to this before. The lace is actually good. It's a good quality. You know, yeah, this is already turning cream or something. Yeah, it's close to 2 years since I've been, you know, wearing this, so I understand that. And it's been a while I actually tried this on or actually wear this out, so it's understandable. So guys, sit back and relax and let me give you a 360 view of the sneakers. You are going to see the inside, the outside, you know, the outsole, and also every detail that is attached to this sneakers. So here's the close-up look, and I hope you enjoy this. And if you're watching this for the first time or you're just joining our channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Please show your support by doing that so that we can actually move forward and actually, you know, monetize this channel finally. So guys, I hope you enjoy, continue watching, and thanks for being here. I appreciate you.